Hi, this is Ray from soyachinchao.com and welcome back to another episode of ICYMI, where we bring you the latest tech news that mattered in case you missed it. If you're planning to buy the latest Huawei P30, Maxis is now offering two Huawei P30 for the price of one on their Zero-lution plan. The buy one free one Huawei P30 at 99 ringgit per month is now available when you sign up for their Maxis One plan 188. You will also have to sign up for an additional Maxis One share line at 48 ringgit per month on their Zero-lution installment program. For more information, you can head on to Maxis website to learn more. Asus Malaysia has just introduced a new power bank that can charge your USB-C notebook, and it is called the ZenPower Pro. According to Asus, this is the world's lightest and smallest notebook power bank that supports Power Delivery 3.0 fast charging. The ZenPower Pro has a battery capacity of 13,600 mAh and the USB-C port gives a 45-watt output. Asus claims that you can charge your Asus ZenBook 3 from 5% to 41% in just 30 minutes. If you're interested, the power bank is priced at 349 ringgit and you can purchase it at Lazada Malaysia. If you're currently using a Huawei smartphone but the battery life isn't as optimal as it used to be, you'll be happy to know that Huawei Malaysia is now offering battery replacements for 99 ringgit only. The 99 ringgit battery replacement campaign will start from 8th of April until the 7th of May 2019. Do note that this campaign is only applicable for selected models, which includes the Huawei Mate 9, P9 and also the Nova Plus. Maxis One Prime is Maxis Home Broadband and Mobile Postpaid bundle where all family members can enjoy unlimited data without paying much. To gain more customers, Maxis has sent out 3 SIM cards to existing Maxis Home Fibre customers as a part of their free trial offer. According to The Ideal Mobile, he has received a letter about the free trial offer, and the 3 SIM cards come with unlimited data, unlimited calls and SMS, and they are free to use until the 15th of May 2019. So that's all from me. If you want to learn more of what I've covered just now, the links are in the description. So what do you think of ICYMI? We would like to hear from you too, so leave a comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here. And also last episode of ICYMI here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!